Is HFM still one of the best Forex brokers to use in 2026? Or is it simply popular because of its marketing? In this video, we'll take a close look at HFM based on the factors that matter most to traders, including regulation, trading costs, platforms, deposits, and withdrawals, as well as its key strengths and weaknesses. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether HFM is the right broker for your trading style. Let's begin with the most important factor: safety. Formerly known as Hot Forex, HFM has been operating for more than a decade and now serves millions of clients around the world. The broker offers access to Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial markets through the popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. One of HFM's biggest advantages is that it is regulated by multiple financial authorities across different jurisdictions, giving traders more confidence than brokers with little or no regulatory oversight. However, regulation alone doesn't automatically make a broker the best choice. Trading costs, execution quality, customer support, and withdrawal reliability have a much greater impact on your overall trading experience. When it comes to trading conditions, HFM offers several account types to suit different traders. Beginners may prefer accounts with spread-only pricing, while more active traders may choose raw spread accounts that offer tighter spreads in exchange for a commission. There isn't a single account that's perfect for everyone. The best option depends on your trading strategy. Trading costs are another area that deserves close attention. Don't focus only on the minimum spread advertised on a broker's website. Your actual trading costs also include commissions, overnight swap fees, and potential slippage during periods of high market volatility. Even a small difference per trade can add up to a significant amount over hundreds of trades. HFM also offers flexible leverage depending on your region and the regulatory entity under which your account is registered. While leverage can increase your profit potential, it also magnifies risk. Professional traders rarely use the maximum leverage available. Instead, they focus on proper risk management and protecting their capital before chasing higher returns. For deposits and withdrawals, HFM supports a wide range of payment methods. Deposits are generally processed quickly, while withdrawal times depend on your payment method and whether your account has been fully verified. That's why it's a good idea to complete your identity verification as soon as you open your account to avoid unnecessary delays later. So, who is HFM best suited for? If you're a beginner or an intermediate trader looking for a broker with a long operating history, reliable trading platforms, and a wide range of financial instruments, HFM is certainly worth considering. However, if you're a professional scalper who requires ultra-low spreads and the fastest possible execution, it's worth comparing HFM with a few other brokers before making your final decision. Of course, no broker is perfect. HFM stands out with its solid reputation, broad product selection, popular MT4 and MT5 platforms, and competitive trading conditions. That said, leverage limits, available instruments, and certain features may vary depending on your country and the regulatory entity that serves your account. Always check the specific conditions available in your region before signing up. So, is HFM worth using in 2026? The answer is yes. HFM remains a well-established and reputable Forex broker that offers a good balance of security, flexibility, and accessibility for a wide range of traders. While it may not be the perfect choice for every trading style, it continues to be a strong option for both beginners and intermediate traders. The most important takeaway is this: don't choose a broker simply because of flashy advertising or attractive promotions. Choose the one that best matches your trading strategy, financial goals, and risk management approach. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more broker reviews, trading guides, and investing tips. And if you've traded with HFM before, or you're thinking about opening an account in 2026, share your experience or questions in the comments below.